Ngucanio cia ambunge na komishoni ya SRC iguru ria mishara no irathie na mbere gwakiriria. Riu komishoni ikiuga ambunge maramukira njoherera cia nyumba maita meri kuona ni marihagwo iri hamwe na mushara, na riu ni meyongereire o mubunge ciringi 250 o mweri.
The payment of this house allowance to MPs and senators amounts to double payment of a benefit which is already included by SRC in the gross pay.
Abunge makoretwo makiuga no o hari maafitha a thirikari mataramukira njoherere no ya nyumba.
They advocate that cabinet secretaries, principal secretaries and lately chief administrative secretaries be paid house allowances. And we felt that this was really very discriminatory.
Oriri maafitha aria angi mari kirathi kimwe na ambunge maraheo njoherere yo.
No other state officer who gets a house allowance outside the gross pay. Members of Parliament and Senate are the only ones who have gone ahead to do that.
Abunge makoretwo makiuga SRC ni agire kuregana na itua ria jaji Chacha Mwita uria waugire ona anini ya magavana ni mafatie kuheo njoherera cia nyumba na SRC ikimahe na makarigwo gitumi kiao kuimwo, no SRC yugite ni areganire na itua riu na gutire ona umwe wao uhetwo mbeca icio.
The members of Parliament are facilitated to travel to their constituents on a regular basis.
Nigi abunge marauga ona magavana na anini yao ni maheagwo njoherere no o matiraheo. SRC ikauga magavana maheagwo tondu mari na mawira ma kibururi.
There are specific state offices that are entitled not to a house allowance but a housing benefit for purpose of state functions.
Riu nditimurano eno yerekeire igoti-ini, SRC makiuga komishoni ya aruti wira wa bunge ndiri na uigiririki wa kuhetukia marihi macio maria abunge merihite magicokia na thutha kuma mweri wa 10 mwaka muthiru.
All right, thank you.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.